We attend various forms of social gatherings. The fact is that events and occasions form an integral part of our life, but the real delight of an event or occasion can be experienced if it is organized well. This is why nowadays people seek the help of professionals to organize and manage their events. Event management is fast catching up as a hot career option owing to the increasing trend in retail and marketing sector. It involves organizing an event with a focused goal for a target audience, visualizing concepts, planning, budgeting, executing events, working on projects like fashion shows, concerts, seminars, theme parties, product launches, exhibitions, etc. To become an event manager in a reputed firm or company, one must have an MBA degree along with good public relations skills. A fresher can start his or her career with Rs 500 to 1000 per event. The starting salary for professionals in corporate sector can be anywhere between Rs 10,000 and Rs 15,000 per event. On attaining experience, an event manager can command fees from Rs 50,000 to Rs 1 lakh or above per event.